I'm getting myself organized. Slowly but surely. There we go. I'm organized, kind of. We're going with it. But Mudcrab, I did see your message, by the way. Mad love, you were so cool. How's it going? Mudcrab, you guys are hilarious. But anyways, wait. I have to start these as well. Maybe I didn't start these. Okay. Are we ready? Are we good to go? It's gonna be grand. Just grand. I don't know why I'm speaking like that, but we're going with it. Okay. Okay, new goal, guys. New goal. Oh, sorry, Bill. What's up, Ethan? Hey, yo. How's it going? Are you guys ready for the new goal? The new goal is definitely 10k. Because 10k subs, and hopefully I can then get Tradeify as a prop room, which I think would be super duper cool. Yeah? What do y'all think? I think that would be awesome. What's happening? I can't believe I actually got a stream. Come on, I'm reading everything. I missed a bunch. Whoopsie. Dun dun dun. I have not marked out anything. Are we ready for this? I'm not ready for this. Okay, Perry's gonna freak out when I move my chair. Ah, still asleep. Never mind. No freaking out here. Only true trader. What? Oh. Hey, David. Shout out to David for the donuts. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Massive shout out. As always, you're amazing. I wanted... What was I doing? Merry Christmas indeed. What the heck, man? Is this a funded account? Hey, Jose. No, it's not a funded. Ethan, mental depression, that's what's up. I mean, that was dark as hell. Couldn't go get myself a haircut. No, I'm joking. All that goes to Finn, let's just be real. And Perry, them spoiled brats. Honestly. Oh, hey, Mr. Bale, what's up? How's it going? Found the vertical. Welcome, Ethan. Are we all ready for this, guys? I don't know if I'm ready for this. What's happening? Oh, it's having a freak out. No. There we go. Okay, freak out's over. Anyways. Are we all ready for today? Am I ready for today? I'm not ready for today. I haven't done anything. So, how's it been looking since last night? Oh. Oh, no, Wi-Fi. There we go. So what did I have? Oh! Okay, so this one would have been a win. Can I just say? This would have been a winning trade. This, I at least would have paid the duck before it went back up. That being said, I would still be in that trade. Just saying. Just putting it out there. I would still be in that trade. That's interesting. So this would have been a win. Cool. I'm glad to know I at least had the correct idea. And now we are just... literally ranging. How annoying. Okay, I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna close that, because those are gonna be irritating me. This is the New York high and New York low. Ugh, my things are freaking out, sorry. There might be some lag going on now. I should do a 24-hour stream on New Year's. I mean, Ethan, it's not the worst idea, except, oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm even gonna be doing. And it's tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything. I might just be at home. Sleeping, like a normal human. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's been... No trading today, I'm fixing the hot tub. Oh, Solly, that sounds nice. Sir Bill, you're already in to go up. Ooh, okay. Going okay, waiting prices to yesterday's high, but don't know. May have spent 450 on a Call of Duty mobile today. What? 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 Okay. Papacito. I love that. How's it going? Oh my goodness, it's a new me, but it's still gonna be the same me. Yeah. Hell yeah, Ethan, that's how it goes. New year, new me. Is it though? Is it really? Not really, but it's fine. Okay. You know, some relative equal highs going on around there, but otherwise nothing super special going on. Here's the, ooh. Midnight opening price and Asia high. Kim Kim. Okay. Let's do this. It's actually my ice cream fridge ice bath. Oh, that one! I forgot about that, Solly. Yeah. And you think it's cooked? No. Solly, I'm so sorry. David, that is amazing. That is amazing. I love that. That sounds expensive though. Let's not even talk about Fortnite. I actually spent way too much on games. I need help. Wow. Spending so much money on games. I would judge, but I own a horse, so I can't say anything, because damn. Horses do be expensive. Huh. Here's some relative equal lows. I'll change it to this. Okay. Let's see now. Where is 3 AM? What? It's already like 10 past. What happened to the time? Where has the time gone? Da, 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 da. Here we go. Well, here's London Open. Like I said, where the heck has the time gone? But moving on. It's okay. London Open, and we are in DDO going up. Damn. I mean, we've low-key just been ranging this whole time, but I guess if you zoom in, it doesn't look that bad. Just zoom in and it looks a little bit better. However, that being said, I need to double check the higher time frames. Sorry, I'm having a big fat chat to myself. Sorry, I'll have a look at the conversations now. Let me just close everything for a minute. Let's check out. Okay, this does not look great. What even is this? Okay. 15-minute. Just to let you guys know, right? Just hear me out. Does London open at 3 or 3:33? Soldier? Yeah, it's not really expensive, but Aw, thanks, David. You're so sweet. Okay, compared to a horse, a game is cheaper. Yeah, just a little bit. A little bit. Wait, Solly, what? Why? Why did you buy that? I have questions now, Solly. What did you? Who did you buy it for? Is it for you? Hey, Gilbert, what's up? Hey, World Historia official, what's up? Do I not trade gold? I do not. Well, I mean, I've dabbled in gold, if you will. I have looked into gold. Gold feels foreign to me, but that's just because I haven't really traded it that much. So yeah, it feels, I'm gonna be playing around a little bit. You guys must let me know what you think of it. I'm gonna be jumping between these, so I just get like massive and in your face. So you must let me know what you think. Is it a bit weird? Do you kind of prefer the jumping around? Does it keep you guys captivated? Dun dun dun. Sorry, I'm messing around. The new year is gonna be lots of fun. That's all I'm gonna say. The new year, I'm hoping, is going to be a lot of fun. So that's just the plan, anyways. But moving on. Anywho, moving on. What about Silver Bullet Trader? What's up? You got the ring for David? What the heck? Okay, feels a little bit intrusive. Can you stop jumping around? It's annoying. Wow. Oh wow, thank you. There we go. Huh. Interesting. So you don't like the jumping? Oh, I thought it was better. Who's the poor little lady who's now? Solly? That was... what are you... what? Anyways. Hey Mark, what's up? How's it going? How goes it? 15 minute... oh, I'm checking the 30 minute now, sorry. The 30 minute? I never check the 30 minute. Why am I checking the anyways, whatever, we're checking the 30 minute. My brain shut down there for a minute, don't mind me. Is it kind of looking like it's coiling? Ooh, I forgot there's some goody news today. Okay, that's cool. There's some news today. Well, the story. Sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Wilhelm, hey, how's it going? Sorry for the a little bit solid. Damn. Do you want to share with the group? Is everything okay? Did you get it like? Was it maybe your gran? Mr. Fair, what price points am I waiting for? Nothing. I'm double checking. I'm really interested, especially on the 50 minute, there was relative equal lows. And 30 minute, there's relative equal lows there that I'm very interested in. I'm checking now the 4 hour as well. Okay, that's not great. I still think it wants to go down to completely fill this gap, but it is also Tuesday. It might go back up to fill this week's new weekly opening gap. Potentially. Let's see. Also wanted to check the daily. No? Oh no. No, I broke it. There we go. Okay. That's not the daily. That's the 30 minute. Okay, whatever. Silly things having a mini meltdown. Moving on. It's fine. to the 1 minute. And back here. Now. Would it be a good financial decision to buy our creators right now? Only true trader? It depends. Is it a gift from you to you? Oh, damn, guys. Okay. What? Only true trader, but greatest. Chosen Bean, what's up? How's it going? It's kind of different in real life from what I'm saying compared to online, but it's crazy how much we consider tones and what you're actually talking to a person face to face. I mean, yeah, even it is. It's crazy. It's why serious conversations are not good over the phone or via text. Joe, I think so. There is news later. I think there's red folder newsletter here. Wait, my bajillionaire. I only true trader? That's the look you're gonna get from that, because no. I'm definitely not a bajillionaire. I wish. It would be nice if I was even like 1,000-aire. Oh, that was so lame. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna stop right there. Cerebral, you caught the double bottom. Ooh. Nice. So here are the relative equal lows that I'm interested in. So wait. There we go. Some relative equal lows that I'm interested in. So, Cerebral, are you out now? I'm really not a fan of these markets, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if this would have actually tagged in that hole. Oh, that may have missed by a freaking... Nope, that wouldn't have tagged me in before going up. That would have sucked. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of these current situations, but it's okay. Where was the NWOG, by the way? Here we go. Here's NWOG. That's not always accurate. I'm aware of that, but potentially it might be going up. Okay, sitting on VWAP a little bit now. Here's 3 AM open. Hasn't taken out this liquidity yet. Is it going to fail to break above? Sorry, I'm talking to myself a lot. I'm pretty sure you guys are used to me doing that by now. Just having fat chats with myself. Don't mind me. I'll quickly pop in and read the messages now. Like I said, I'm just having a big fat chat. So Ash, are you gonna join me later, by the way? Sorry. Dude, gotta get into disappointed dad mode. Damn. Gen Z dress. Tell me what's up. You got it. I can smell somebody with money. Soldier? You gotta get your nose fixed then, because seriously, no. If I did, I would have a lot more like branded clothing. Just saying. I have 0 branded clothing. I get things off of Temu. Square Bob Sponge Pants, what's up? How's it going? Thurbil, no? Give you an NQ throughout the week. Oh, it's me, Durajax. I think I butchered that. I'm so sorry, but I think it sucks. Just for me personally, just because the price action kind of sucks. However, there is red folder news later, so New York might be nice. I don't know. For me, this price action's just not ideal. It's really risky with my strategy. So, yeah. It's why I will still, well, I say, let's see. Maybe I'll place a trade today, maybe I won't. We're gonna wait and see. So here I would have potentially had a setup. I mean, there's... Technically, I do have 3 confluences. Technically. But that's kind of going against... I didn't hate this. I didn't hate that there was some liquidity that I had to take out before potentially going back down. I mean, it wouldn't have come far enough down before it's going up anyway, so it's fine. I'm sorry, there was a question that was asked that I was actually answering. I'm so sorry. Oh, my view on NQ. Choppy. That was basically it. Not a fan, but that's why we're gonna start fresh next week, Monday. So I won't be here the rest of the week, guys. Sorry. Because I'm trying my best to go hands off, because I know me. I know me well enough now that if I do things, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be dumb. I'm gonna be dumb. So rather don't tempt myself by doing potentially dumb things. I know some people have really been enjoying this week though, trading wise. Me with my strategy, not so much. Yesterday would have sucked. But anyways, yesterday everyone was mocking her because I look like an auntie. I know, and that's okay. Oh gosh, I will proudly be an auntie. Solly, did you hear that? Proud of it. Moving on. Still will go up a break even for now. Ooh, nice circle. Okay. You don't talk to yourself near as much as I do. Damn, Ethan. Okay. Wait, how does co-streaming work? I ordered some streaming stuff, but it comes before. So, only true trader, all you need is, I guess, a microphone and a camera. That's literally all you need. And then I can send you a little link thing. If you want. But, bought me a Lambo last week. Oh gosh, he already did. Just by the way, David already did send. I'll have a good amount in the bank and I don't have branded clothing with the exception when I go out to certain events and work clothes, but I use my money for travel and living. Ooh, chosen bean, I love that. I wish. See, I can't even travel. Or live. How about this? If I had lots of money, my horse would have a lot of fancy things. And he doesn't, so. Joe, where do I usually get my news from? The website, whatchamacallit, just called Trading News. I go check out the website on Trading News. And walk out, dropping them. Not mind wearing. Solly, you know what? That's fine. Hey, Stop Chase, what's up? How's it going? Have you been trading? Or not really? What you been doing? Have you also been having a bit of a break from the charts recently? What you been doing, Chase? Grow new teeth? What a weird name. What? Anyways, what's up? How's it going? Hey, Diamante! How's it going? Long time no see. How you been doing? Go uptrend like I suspected. Daddy stocks, yes and no. It's kind of been going sideways, but it did. Oh, sorry. Oh, there we go. So it did. For this trade, it actually would have been a win. For this one, I would have at least paid the duck before being taken out break even. So both of these trades, I actually would have made a little bit of profit on them, which is quite cool. Obviously I didn't take them, and it would have taken hours. Would have taken hours to get there, but that's okay. But it did eventually go up. It did just sweep this range, and then it's been kind of ranging. And now it's going back up. There's some relative equal lows I'm interested in. However, I mean, this price action just sucks, in all honesty. That's kind of what I had set up, but as you can see, doesn't matter. This was the setup, and it didn't work, and that's okay. Oopsies. Okay, sorry, that was respond to Daddy Stocks. I'm so sorry, my brain's going all over the place today. Clover, what's up? How's the holiday month? I'm back online again for a week or two. Nice, Clover, welcome back. Welcome back. I mean, you're back online. I'm gonna go offline as of tomorrow just for the rest of the week before starting the New Year's with a bang. I'm excited. It's gonna be awesome. Use Financial Juice for news. Ah, okay. Haven't heard of them. I'm gonna have a look. What? I've missed things. Stocks 324 New York Times. Use Financial Juice. My wife, on the other hand, has all types of luxury items in her closet. Anything from clothes, shoes, purses, sunglasses. Damn, chosen bean. That's nice. Except I'm not really into like the clothes and stuff. When I say branded clothes, I would have like really nice sports clothes. That's about it. Should start weekly analysis series. Oh my goodness. I've missed some things. Wait. I don't know much, just some better lighting and oh, damn, only 2 trade. Are you getting furious? Guitar guy, let Daddy Stocks, you see a downtrend. I should start a weekly analysis series. That's where I was. Good downtrend again. Good life, then look good for others. Oh, that's valid, chosen bean. I think 26 minutes without banning. I definitely see downtrend and it's expecting to go downtrend. It's a Christmas miracle. Not bad on Bitcoin thing. Oh, by the way, Ash, how your subs looking? I've turned to today. Can you send Daddy Stocks? Can you send pictures on Discord? You can? Yeah, Daddy Stocks, you can. Yeah, flexing on me, showing off his green lamp. I traded New York session, making over $300 trading micros. Damn, guitar guy, that's amazing. Well done. What the heck? Yes. On a scale of 1 to 20, how focused are you right now? Long John, not that focused, to be fair. Which is not ideal, but at the same time, this price action kind of sucks, so I don't really feel like I need to be. It's waking back up after the holiday. What? The price action? I think it's still on holiday. I think it's only going to wake up from the 5th. Just personally. Obviously, I know that there's news later. Maybe that'll also wake it up. But right now, I'm not convinced. Let's just say that. Right now, I'm not convinced that it's waking up. Joe, so you're gonna wait this out until New York session? Basically, I'm gonna do low-key forward testing. But this price action's not great. And the problem is there's 2 points that I'm interested in. Like, I'm wanting to go against what everyone else thinks with regards to the downtrend. Except for Serbil. Serbil agrees. I think this is gonna start pushing up a little bit today. Maybe just for it, and maybe I'm completely wrong. Like I said, these charts right now are not ideal. The price action's all over the place. There's news coming out later. This is very risky circumstances to be trading, which is kind of why I'm a little bit hands off. But hey, there we go. Huh. Cool. So correct idea, just wouldn't have tagged me in. Like, that would have been frustrating unless I did this, but this would have tagged me in and tagged me out. I guess around there. No, this would have been a break even. I would have paid the duck there, would have come down for break even and then gone up. That would have been annoying. But again, with this choppy stuff, you're not getting really accurate reads, are you? Okay, well, let's see if it continues. I'm gonna almost follow this up slightly. See if it comes down one more time. I don't know if that's okay. Yeah. Anyway, sorry. Oh, Mr. Bale, the music in the background is in the description below. You can go check it out. Oh, Joda, you're so sweet. Hope I'm making tons and tons. Well, not right now, no, but that's okay. I'm on 25 more than I ever thought I would get. Only true trader. Oh, but you're on 25. I think that's amazing. Gee, how's my back? My back's good, thanks. Can't stay, but good luck. Have a great weekend. Yeah. Aw, cheers, Joda. Enjoy. Have an amazing time. PA is terrible. I'm thinking because of holidays. Oh, 100% Long John. No, the price action sucks. There is news later. It could also be another reason, but definitely because of holidays. This price action is just enough to put you in a coma, to be fair, but it is what it is. It's about to take out a tiny sweep there. Let's see if it continues to the buy side. Nope, maybe not. I stopped after a couple of trades because the market started chopping going into the afternoon. Yeah, guitar guy, it's not ideal. Background music is good and calming. Bull flag set up to go up now. A bull flag setup? This one or zoomed out? I'm really not great with identifying the flags, to be fair. I know some people love the bull and bear flags. I attempted to see them. I wasn't great. I wasn't great at seeing them. Oh, Baron of Fox, there's just news it's at 2 p.m. here. I see there's news at 2 p.m. What news is it? I think there's some news. I'll have to open up a new tab and check it out. So daddy stocks, do you think there's downtrend at the bottom of this current beer? Hey Jean, how's it going? Oh, thank you. I hope you have a nice day as well. Beautiful. Comes out tomorrow during New York session. There we go. Yeah, it's the FOMC comes out tomorrow during New York session. Thank you, guitar guy. That link isn't. Oh, that's weird. What? It should work. What? That's weird. Rupesh? Hi. 89 Clavos. Hello. You're a seasoned trader. You've been at it long. Oh, Joe, not really. No, I've been trading since April. So, yeah, definitely not seasoned. This is my first time doing like December price action. I've heard a mixed bag. I've heard some people say that like the previous year, December was actually really nice. This year, I mean, no, I'm being negative, Nancy. The first 2 weeks weren't bad. These previous, well, just these 2 days. Oh, hello. Interesting. Okay. Well, there was definitely something. Was that a liquidity? Was that a stop hunt? That seems so disrespectful. Who just got taken out? Who entered in a short and got taken out by that? That was so disrespectful. Wow. Ah, Mr. Bale, you are welcome. Sir Bull, that one. Hello, coming away from Canada. From Canada? What up, Quick Energy? How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to, well, I always say welcome to the chaos because for me, I feel like it's pretty accurate. It's pretty chaotic, but it's a good time. Chaos and all. That felt rude. Anyways. We trading futures. Hey, Svang. Yeah, we are. We're trading the Nasdaq futures. What the? How much have you made so far doing this? Not exact amount, but a rough idea. I'd love to start this, but I don't know how to start. Oh, Quick Energy. Well, to be fair, right, I'm not profitable yet. Yeah, yet being the key word here. I'm not profitable yet. The goal for next year is to become profitable. At least pass an eval, but yeah, it can be tricky, but if you use a prop firm to start with, it helps because then you don't blow through all your capital. And if you start, so I'm trading the micro futures. So again, you don't blow through your capital as much, but obviously it takes you a little bit longer when you start to become more profitable. It obviously takes you a little bit more longer. That was terrible English, but you get the idea. To pass the eval. But yeah, welcome to my channel. So this is basically, it's just a real open, honest journey. Like, I'm not here to try and be like, you're gonna make millions or copy trade me and you're gonna be a millionaire. Please don't copy trade me because I'll lead you astray. This is definitely not a financial advice area to come to. But yeah, it's basically just open and honest about the journey, and that it's not easy. If you're hoping for quick, easy money, this is not the way to do it. Like, it's not a get-rich scheme. And I think that's the problem. Some people think trading is a get-rich-quick situation, and when it's not, they're like, oh, it's a scam. But you actually have to put a lot of time and effort and energy and hours into it. Sorry, that was my little rant for the day. Moving on. Demonte, you think sell it? The delivery came. What? Only true trader? Where did you get it from? We might go back to 744. I was long lucky and it hit TP. Ooh, Sancho's whoop whoop. That's amazing. Well done. Long John, exactly. What just happened? Indeed, I have no idea. Wait, what time was it? No, it wasn't even like a specific thing happened. Nothing. So weird. One of the chop is the pole and the chop is the flag. But shouldn't it be looking more... Cerebral, how do I say this? Shouldn't it be looking more flaggy? Like... more like this type of situation? Sorry, excuse my naivete, but... And yes, I just said naivete, but shouldn't it be looking more like that? Or was that kind of what it was doing, and then that breakout was the indication that it's going to continue upwards? It's failing hard, bananas, stop it. After the stream video, we can come up with ideas on how to troll Maya during New York session. Wow, David's how it's been since last time, probably 3 weeks ago. Hey, this little pain. What's up? It's been going good. It's been going good. I think. I like to think it's been going decently. Aw, quick energy. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. What broker do you use? I'm using Top One Futures. SD Biscuits, what's up? Maurice, hi. How you doing? How's it going? I just got Discord. What's the name so I can find you? Oh, here we go, Daddy Stocks. I got you. Don't you worry. Here you go. Okay. Like I said, this chop isn't ideal, so there I would have had an entry. Let's see what happens. It's really close to stop loss. I mean, this isn't the worst entry, but it's not great. This would actually be better. There we go. If I use this range rather. Maybe this one. That one feels a bit more accurate. So again, I would have only had 2. Maybe 3. 3 confluences, which is not bad. Again, the chop is just not great. So I am low-key forward testing the chop to see what exactly it respects and disrespects. And if it would have worked. Let's see if this would have worked out. I'm not entirely convinced. For that reason, that it's just chop city right now. Moving on. I've missed some things. Brightest future, love the rain, thank you. Yesterday was highest loss of 2025. Oh, Akash, what happened? No, what happened? One friend who did something like this and he ended up cashing Canadian but had to pay. Oh, quick energy, that freaking sucks. Water Buffalo? What's up? David. Yeah. What broker do I use? I'm using Top One Futures currently. If anyone wants to join them, more than welcome to, and you can use my affiliate code. I haven't even, oopsie, I didn't add my affiliate code, but my affiliate code is TeachMaya, all caps, and you can get a discount. But yeah. Could be a good idea to keep an eye on Danny since the NFL season is ending. Most picks can win the Super Bowl, maybe good. Little Pain? I mean, okay. Art Nature, what's up? You could have at least put a space between. People, okay, please type in chat if you can. Oh, sure, I can. Top One Futures is the broker, and there we go. Ta-da! I hope that helps. Sorry. But anyway, sorry. Let's go back to this. Let's see. It would have been messing around quite a bit. Sir Bill, where's your TP at, by the way? Is it all the way at Asia High? Whoa. Like, all that being said, we did move quite a bit yesterday. Well, I say quite a bit. I guess actually not that much. It's just because I'm zoomed in and these candles now look big, but they are itty bitty babies. Oh, they're so small. Oh my goodness. Okay. Little 5-pointers. Good grief. At this point, I could have been a degen and just entered like one contract for funsies, but let's maybe not end the year being a degen. Or should I? No, that's a bad. No, let's not do that. Let's not be a problem child. Or should we? Should we be a problem today? I could be a problem today. You are welcome. Now I got everything. Only to trade. Are you excited? Is there a chin? Banana, I'm small. But I'm definitely not 4'5". I don't think. Maybe I'm just slouching. Am I slouching? I feel like. Dana Foxel, what's up? Also, Ashley Maya said, yeah, after I said she loves me. Oh my goodness. Such a strategy in not too many words. Oh, Josh. Whoa, I got you. Can I show you a better day to show you my strategy on? Because, I mean, this price action sucks. Could I go to a better day, or do you want me to just kind of explain it in the chaos that is whatever the heck this is right now? Banner Fox will do it, be a DJ. No! But I mean, low-key, I would be in the green right now. Just saying. Just putting it out there. Be the problem. Be the problem you want to see in the trading community. No, don't do that, guys. We have to be good. We have to be good. End this year well. See, now I'm regretting not doing it because it would have hit DP. But that would have been bad. That would have been bad. It would have been, I mean, sure, with one contract. I wouldn't have, I think I would have made like $50. But anyways. Your technical, what? $100? What about $100? What? I missed something. What's up? US Open at cash and best traders not taking trade. Son, exactly. My thinks I'm lying about us being married. You're my wife, ain't you? I mean, I'm nervous like a lot. Really? Only true trader? Why are you so nervous? You got this. Well, a better day is better. Yep, 100%. Okay, let's go to a better day. Let's go to some. I can show you some good old trades. Good grief. Now I have to go back so far. Whoop. That was a loss. I didn't listen to myself. Let's look for, here's a goodie. This was a awesome one. Okay, so, sorry, ignore the chaos, but all of it comes into play. This was with the New York Open. So, sweet and simply, I'm gonna just block off the chaos for a second. Okay. Sweet and simply, it's market auction theory, but there's a lot more that goes into it. I use my GAN box to mark out the range, so top of the range, bottom of the range. Okay, so you can see how the entry is at the 0.5. So again, market auction theory. What's it? Buy, sell high, buy low. Yes, there we go. I nailed it. Nearly messed that up. So 0.5 would be my entry. The 0.2 would be my stop loss, and normally 1.1 would be my TP, but I'm testing something else, so my TP was a little bit lower. So it was actually a 2.33R trade, so that was quite cool. That's sweet and simply it. Ganbox, market auction theory, 0.5, 50% level is entry. However, this is where it gets a little bit more complicated, obviously. There's a lot more that goes into it. You need your confluences. So this is where I use ICT and SMC confluences. And a little bit more. Again, like I said, it's a little bit chaotic. Sorry about that. But I have to at least have 3 confluences. So in this case, I had the first presented fair value gap. I even had the 9:30 a.m. range as well. And it broke out and retested the 5-minute orb. Sorry, can you see? I use quite a bit. And I had my bob level. That's like some secret sauce stuff right there. So there was a lot going for this trade. And as you can see, it was a freaking awesome one. Yeah. So that was quite sweet and simple. Sweet and simply draw top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% is the entry level. But the tricky part is the confluences, almost as your cushion for your stop loss. But yeah. So this is why when it's choppy like this, it's not great because you don't really have 3 confluences. I could have maybe argued at a stretch for this one that, you know, I had one, like my little, I call it a shelf. I have my shelf here. So that was 1. 2 was it would have swept some liquidity at this level. And 3 was there's this fair value gap. So I could have argued that there were 3 confluences. And I mean, you could see that shelf is perfectly on the 50% level, but when it's choppy like this, it's not the best. Yeah. Oh, I've missed some things. I've missed a lot. Oh, good grief. So defense contracts are popping off like wild. So KTOs through defense sector. I'll keep eyes on that too. Thanks, Pizzlepan. Rinky, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. How's it going? I thought it was buy high, sell low. That's why my account is in. Ah, that Banana, honestly. Gotta buy dips. How about you? No, I already see my name on this. Yeah, buy higher, sell higher. There we go. They're in a foxhole. Sauce, barbecue, or tomato. David, seriously, I see a flag. I don't know. Bear in a foxhole. Again, I'm not great at the flags. I'm really not good at the flags. Explain the buy high, sell high idea. It's choppy like, it's a new night for Christmas. Remember, Banana? Damn, what a statement to say right there. Wow, what a thing to say. This is low-key agony, but let's see. Like I said, this is low-key agony. Of course you do, David. Of course you do. I expect nothing else from you. But yeah, Joe, if you're still there, I hope... Sorry, I know that was a very quick explanation, but I hope it made sense. Excuse you. Sorry, that's my dog. And again, David, I'm not even surprised that you have a collection of sharp things. I guess, like, being zoomed in, this actually wasn't a bad trade, just with the chop and the everything, it's not great, and it did just take out this liquid. Wow. This price action, I feel like I need to get a Bob quote to explain what this price action is. Let's find a Bob quote to describe this price action. Are we ready for a Bob quote? Nope. There we go. This price action looks like my love life. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Anyways. Oh. That's, yeah, it's pretty accurate right now. Let's test out this level, shall we? Out of them curiosities. I got a little imbalance here. Technically, there's a little shelf here. The entry was a little bit higher for this one. I guess it would actually not be the worst. No, am I going to instantly regret saying that? Potentially. See, this is why it's very... I don't like choppy days. We'll at least go the same distance as... Picking the bottom two buy low is dangerous. What are you looking? Hopefully you aren't having too hard a time trading. Hey, daddy stuff. Oh, well, yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. I mean, today is just not great. This price action is... bleh. What did I say yesterday? This price action is poo-poo caca. And I'm gonna stick with it, okay? Poo-poo caca apparently is now the thing. Can someone add me on Discord? I'm having a hard time finding to send a friend request. I can try find you, Daddy Stocks. Let me sausage snip. Solly, are you even old enough to drink? Yeah, I can throw shade right back. Just saying. You wanted to come at me? Boom. I don't even know where to look. No. Not there. I was gonna have a look at, see if I could. Maybe someone can. I need this much on a 5K account. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, moving on. Sorry, I was looking at some things on Discord. Moving on, I'm so sorry. Got distracted. Sorry, you're gonna have a response. Wanted to tell me, but nah. Ah, good. Someone post the invite link. Sure. Jamil, what the hell's it going? Mark Dave? What's up? How's it going? Should I be a degen? Should I not be a degen? Should I be a degen? Should I not be a degen? I'm feeling like I should probably, probably not be one. But part of me wants to be one. But I know that's a bad idea. And that's a no-no. And that we shouldn't do that. Discipline is key, right? Discipline is key. Discipline is key. I need to just remind myself that. but why? But why is it key? Oh, Ollie. Need to try to be a DJ. Oh, you guys, Jen, your last trade for the year. Wow. I guess essentials. No, See, I want to be a problem, but I feel like being a problem is a bad idea. We'd take a buy here, and that feels like. Imagine I took it. I would be crying right now. No, imagine it goes up now. Then I will start crying. I'll be like, are you freaking kidding me? Let's see if this would hit stop loss. I'm kind of curious. And whoo! Oh. I mean, that would have very quickly put me in my place and reminded me that maybe, just maybe, don't be a problem. But being a problem is fun, but no, don't be a problem. Just be better. If this actually goes up now, I'm gonna laugh. Oh, Cedric, sorry. I still. What is happening? What time is it? Is it? Oh, guys, it's 4. It's 4. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. It's 4. It does say that technically at 4, it should want to come above here. Bruh. It would have missed my stop loss by a tick. And straight to TP. What? What the heck? Whoa. I mean, to be fair, it would have been a winning trade. Damn. This is the problem. It's teaching me bad things because now my brain's going, maybe degen is the way to go because it would have, it shoulda, coulda, woulda. Anyways, what? Let's check out this out of curiosity now. Whoop. Except now it feels very volatile. What just happened? 4 happened and now it's just going. Cheers, enjoy. Now it's going to be for cycles. Maybe not exactly it is. Sitting on hands and no gains. Wow, ban and foxhole, but purple. Trained intact, yep. Did you want my bank card detail? No, I'm good, thanks, David. Yeah, Sally, 100%. Never chase the right apple butter. I mean, when you're right, you're right. But that also being said, No, that's just running away. Cool. I can't believe that actually would have been a win. That would have been a problem for me. That really would have been a problem, and that's okay. It is what it is. No reversal. Oopsie, now up and away. Mr. Bale, you think so? I mean, it's a tiny bit of a me. Except now it just took out that point of interest. For 70% of the way. Ooh. Sorry, I feel like I always learn things every time I pop on here. Rip would be very proud, I'm just saying. I know he's not here, but he would be proud. I know that. See, now problem child brain is going, do I just do this? I'm not a problem. Who's a problem? It's not me. I'm not a problem. I'm a problem. Oh well, let's see what happens. Moving on. Which day? How many percent amount MNQ usually trade on the 1 minute? I do, Joe. I do normally trade on the 1 minute. Apple butter, what would Rip do? He would yell at me right now. No, David, no, that's bad though. It's not how we should be thinking. We should be good. Past the forward took out the high, but I still like that it could be going to Asia high. And to be fair, it is Tuesday, and Tuesday nearly tends to want to go to the NWOG. See, now this looks more like a flag to me. Is this now bull flagging? Am I getting it slowly but surely? Oh, yay! Daddy Stocks, thank you. Thanks, Daddy Stocks. I'm excited to have a look-see. Daddy Stocks, what's up? Okay. Let's do this. I'm excited. There's this imbalance. Okay, I do have 3. The only problem is that that's not ideal. And it did struggle to break out of the bob zone, but the Asia high is right there. Oh, this could come get me, but it is why I've also only put 2 contracts, which is nothing. Oh no. For Franken, what's up? Does ICT really work if you understand it and you execute it correctly? Yes. Son, good grief. What would I print with a 3D printer? I don't want to tell you because I'm gonna get judged. Because I know what I would print. I'd print a lot of mini figurines. Literally, and things like this. This is a 3D printed little nightmare. It's adorable, and I love it. And this. The 3D printed sugar glider, and I love it. And I would print a lot of random things like that. Why? For funsies. Mr. Bale, you're out? Oh, good grief. sounded a little sorry, soft. Really? What did it say? Okay, it doesn't matter. Actually, I don't think I want to know. It's okay. But yeah, I would probably print those, especially because I enjoy D&D, so it's like little figurines, D&D, of D&D characters. Those are awesome. You can't print Warhammer things, unfortunately, but yeah. What else would I print? Ooh, maybe little stands for my Funko Pops. And definitely, I love... Have you seen like the floating books? I would love to do that. But 3D printers, number one, to be expensive. And the things for 3D printers are expensive. I wonder if I could 3D print like a cool candle thing. Sorry, now you've got my brain working overload. Like, how cool would that be if you could 3D print this is not looking good? Those imbalances are not great. Oh, I let the degen win. Oh no. Okay, well. Reject off of that, pretty please. Yep. There's one. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see if it even gets to that point, but it's fine. Guys. Don't be like me. Don't be a problem. Be good. To be fair, this wasn't the worst. I mean, the price action just obviously sucks today, but this is not the worst trade. I do at least have 3 confluences. Is it the best trade? No. But it's not the worst either. I've definitely had worse that I've taken. Just like, hey, how about what's up? Poker Pro here, you have to be a degen sometimes. Brightest future? Wait, are you actually a Poker Pro? Sounds cool. Yeah, those things are expensive. Yeah, exactly. I love actually buying one. Here we go. No, not until use open, but have cash half in. Oh, okay, so Bull, let's see. Hey, Sage Camper, what's up? 3D print some favorable price action. That is hilarious. I wish. Can you imagine? Anyway, sorry. Hey, Shizu, what's up? I see Solly has now converted everyone into calling me a grandma, which is rude. Mari, hi from Toronto. What's up from South Africa? How you doing? How's it going? Daddy Stocks, is this the same one I was thinking downtrend on? Probably. Just knowing my luck. Yesterday, like I said, my luck was absolutely shocking. And this looks like it's, let's see what happens. Good morning. Oh, hey, Fulcus, what's up? How was your Christmas, Fulcus? Was it good? You play in the States, brightest future? That is so cool. That is so freaking cool. I didn't know it was going to be like this. It's my first time being a trendsetter. Do you feel super cool, Solly? Do you feel amazing? I now have that like a trendsetter song stuck in my head. I can't even remember how it goes, but it goes. Moving on. Okay, well I stick with the rules no matter what. If it reaches that level, I mitigate my risk by half. I don't like this right here. That's not great. That's really not great. Oh well. 20 space marine. I'll step in this way. Oh, what's my tattoo? It's a snail. His name is Sunny. Yeah, he's super cool and I love him. Oh, this is also such a bad time to be taking a trade. And like I said, it did take out that. Rip would indeed be yelling at me. Guys, don't be a degen. Don't do it. Hey, Mari, which prop firm do I work with? I'm using Top 1 Futures currently. What's up? From country, Poland, went to my mother and brother for a day and visited my friends in different cities. What? That's freaking awesome, Volkus. What the heck, man? And you didn't take me with you? Wow. Does opposite first, just getting some home. Sure, hit maybe within a half hour. Oh, well, daddy stocks? Let's see. People way younger than Western Europe. I'm a nice, younger, more beautiful. Damn, okay, Volkos, that's interesting. I didn't know that. How about a 3D version of Sunny? Ooh, Soft, that would be awesome. Oh, it tapped into this, that imbalance there. Let's see. Basically, stop chase, there's one TP at the high. And then I'm trying to decide if I don't be greedy and just take second TP at normal, or if I target Asia high. I might target Asia high. Let's see though. So it had a fat downtrend before uptrend. I'm saying daddy because his name is Daddy Stocks. I'm trying. Wait, Solly, are you serious? Solly, you've had such a crazy life. I feel like we need to have like a sit down and a chat because I have so many questions. I have so many questions. What do I do? I'm gonna stop buying in a second. Thanks, Stop Chase. Stop Chase, I can't remember if you answered. Are you trading? What you been up to? What's been happening? But we're in this, guys. Let's see what happens. Like I said, it is hands off now until it at least reaches my 1-to-1, and then I'll mitigate risk by half. No, I looked at it. Stop looking at it. I'm just gonna look at you guys. And you guys are just gonna have to tell me some good or bad news. Okay. Like I said, I put 2 contracts in. So I'm really not risking or gaining a lot. Being a little bit of a degen is not good, guys. Be better. Be better than me. Just be better than me, because oh no, I looked. It's okay. Why is everyone being quiet now? Are you guys all holding your breath? Like me, I'm holding my breath low-key, but I don't want to say I'm nervous, because that's bad, but being a degen, yeah. Oh, my bad, David, damn. I'm looking. Are you the only person? Maybe. Also, I don't know if that's a thing I would ever be able to do. If I would ever be able to seriously call someone that. Daddy Stocks, you're eating a piece of cheese. Cool. Is it good? Anyway, what's up? How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chaos. Just so much chaos always. There's just always chaos, and I'm so for it. Your name too, Daddy David. Oh my word. Do I know Stray Kids? What? No? What's that? What? What are Stray Kids? What? Do I ever dabble in FX? Hey Joe, I haven't. I think I'm a bit nervous of it, to be fair. Do you dabble in FX? Extra sharp cheddar, what does that mean? Does it have like razor blades in it? What does extra sharp cheddar mean? What? Chat for South Africa. Oh, Oh, Timbisa, welcome. That is so cool. I used to live down the road from Timbisa. Literally. Oh, Stray Kids is a K-pop group? No, sorry. I don't want to say I'm not into K-pop because that, I guess, specific songs I guess I'd be into. Yeah, I don't know. Not always my scene, I guess. Joe, yeah, it's way more Are you serious? To be fair, right, I've heard mixed reviews, Joe. So is it more predictable for you because you've been trading it for a while? Right, so hear me out. The reason I say this is because I've had a lot of people say that gold is more predictable than this, and I've had a look at gold. Gold terrifies me, low-key. Just personally. But... Anyways. But for some people, they can read it like the back of their hand. I also know someone who traded gold and wasn't successful, and then they moved over to NQ and are now successful, you know, so that's why I'm asking. Is it just, does it make more sense to you, or is it actually more predictable? Get your cheese knowledge up, you bum! Sorry, I'm moving on. I'm sorry, I'm not fancy. I'm not really. I don't want to say I'm not a cheese person because I mean I do enjoy cheese, but like I don't know, like blue cheese and stuff. I'm not a fan, and I know that's going to offend some people. And there I mitigate my risk by half. Cool. Yeah, I'm aware that that might offend some people, but anyways. So not break even yet. The type of cheese, and it's delicious with baked potatoes and salted butter. Now I kind of want to try the cheese. I'm low-key curious about the cheese. But yeah, mitigated risk by half. So them's the rules, guys. So, oh, half on point. Sorry. And now I'm trying to decide if I be cheeky and leave a runner to Asia High. Part of me wants to leave a runner to Asia High, because Asia High feels like a really decent goal to be having. I will pay the duck at the 1-to-1 if it goes there. Let's see. Oh, I'm so sorry, I don't live that area anymore. My apologies. True. Am I a sweets person? Daddy stocks? I am. I do enjoy my sweeties, which is a problem. I need to be better, but it's okay. No need to explain yourself for your food preferences. Oh, thanks, Phil, because I appreciate that. Honestly, creative painting. I can paint your picture for free. Oh! Impo, are you serious? Prop firm screams scammy to me. What's that about? Really? Why? Bear and a Foxhole? Why do prop firms scream scammy to you? That's interesting. Explain, please. Just out of curiosity, I like to hear different people's opinions about it. Be cheeky, take the runner. Okay, look at that. I mean, I was cheeky taking the degen anyways, so at this point, screw it. Anyways. Oh, as in you don't know much about it. Oh, okay, well, Banner Fox, so shall I explain why I used prop firms? Yeah, maybe then it might make a little bit more sense to you. But your import, are you serious? That's really, really sweet of you. And what are my favorite sweets? Ooh, daddy stocks. Is it bad that I said I really like cake? Cake is really yummy. But anyways, what else do I need for streaming? Can I go? Gotta make that all. Yeah, yeah. If you have a camera, microphone, you got OBS. I'm assuming. It sounds like you got green screen and everything fancy, and a decent microphone. I think that's it. Yeah. I think only true. I think that's it. But anyways. So, Bear in a Foxhole, the reason I used props, just personally, right? Personally for me, is because I'm still new and need to become profitable first before like blowing my capital. If I'd just gone straight into like funded accounts, whatever, oh my gosh, I would be down a lot. This gives you wiggle room to learn and figure things out. Just again, this is just my opinion. I know some people might disagree, but I think in particular for new traders, prop firms really help in that case, that you don't just blow through all your capital while you're making those rookie mistakes to begin with. And then once you are consistently funded, like I think if you can pass like 3 evals easily in a row, then I think you are ready to potentially become funded or take it to the next level, maybe. Again, I'm not even there yet, so I can't really say much for that, but yeah, I haven't heard, like obviously there's some frustrating things with prop firms, but I think with the prop firms it also forces you to be Iron 10th or Iron thank you, shout out for the dono. Sorry, I saw that and I was like, oh. Anyways, take over pie in the chat, everyone. Nice. But yeah, for me personally, that's why for me. And someone else's money? No, not really. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay, well there we go. There's that. Close that, please. Close that, please. Close that, please. Thank you. Okay, now we leave this one. And I'll have TP here. At Asia High. Again, maybe that's a bit greedy. Maybe that's a bit... No, I think Asia High is a good point of interest. Let's see, it might retest a little bit now, but at least... Whoop whoop. Hey. Anyways, I'm up. Like I said, I put 2 itty bitty contracts in, so I wasn't expecting crazy amounts. Maybe I should have put more. Damn it. Oh well. Moving on, it's okay. It was the degen trade, so I don't feel bad because the price action was a little bit risque, but moving on. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn things off, my bad. So it's real money, but I'm not getting anything yet. Does that make sense? Bear and Foxel. So wait, Bear and Foxel, what did you learn that was useful? So it's not paper trading, this is real money, but only when you make a certain amount can it be your money. But you have to make a certain amount first. Yes? Does that make sense? I just gotta set it up and I'll be streaming blowing a cow. There we go. Oh, sorry. I see I've missed a bunch of questions. Maybe. Sorry, Bill. Thank you. I appreciate it. Like I said, I'm leaving it for the Asia High. If I was more cheeky, I would just leave one till the next bob level, but that feels like pushing it now. That feels like pushing it. Because that's up there. That's, yeah, that might be pushing it a damn bit too much. Just saying. But either way, the duck has been fed. We have paid the duck. So it's fine. I'm at, well, I say break even. This is a little bit higher than break even, but still. Yeah, okay, see, now this one isn't as nice as the previous one. Even though it was a bit of a degen one, but it's still not as nice. I have like 2.5 instead of 3. If the entry was a little bit higher, I would maybe say, but yeah. Here's a huge gap that might want to come full before continuation. Let's see if this would have worked. I've done my degen. It worked out. Which is maybe a bad thing, but it worked out. So it's fine. Banner Foxhole? I mean, yeah. Banana. Daddy Stock, you now think this is downtrend? Great way to get into industry if you're lacking skills or capital. There we go. Banner Foxhole, that sounds like a pitch. No, not really. Well, I don't think so. It's, like I said, it's what made sense in particular to me. Again, I've had no complaints. I know a lot of people that still use prop firms even though they are profitable. Because you need to get the whatchamacallit? The emotions. It's all about the emotions behind it, and this is trading. Hello! This is trading live with the real emotions, and now this is where you get your psychology side to a point, right? This is where the psychology comes into it. Now, who was being a negative Nancy saying, is she buying when it's a selling? Just asking out of curiosity. Anyways, sorry, that was so sassy. I apologize. It's the end of the year. The sassiness is coming out. That's the critical point. So how you been learning? Joe, are you asking like, so I've been using a prop firm. I have not passed an eval yet. I'm putting it out there. So I'm not profitable yet. Slowly getting there. Like Only True said, if I started putting the correct amount of contracts in. However, you know, December is a bit sketchy, as we can see. It's a little bit terrifying because of the price actions. So that's why, like I said, I've been taking some maybe sneaky trades, but I'm not putting the correct amount of contracts in. If I was, I would be up $400. But I'm up like $20 or something stupid. It's okay. It's true around Christmas the sass comes out of me too. Valid. Ooh, wait, interesting. It could be the sassiness that's coming from the outfit as well. I'm not a hater of that. I can deal with that. That's fine. I'm still in this. Maybe it's a bad idea, but either way, it's hands off. I have a pretty valid, there we go, a valid point of interest, the Asia high for my final TP. Again, maybe I'm being a little bit greedy, maybe I'm being a little bit cheeky, but I'm trying to be better with that, seeing if I can up the R's. I'm betting my life you hit second TP. Ooh! Damn, stop chase, no pressure. No pressure. Anyways. Oh, how did I learn my strategy? Well, Joe, I had a friend help me out when I started, and then I've learned everything else literally from this amazing community. Yeah. Literally, with regards to all the other confluences and I've learned from this amazing community. Like I said, there's some other things that come into play here, like some Bob levels, that secret sauce, some RIP information that he has taught me. All of these are the amazing followers, just by the way. Again, you learn so much. So much. It's ridiculous. Thanks, Only True. When funded weeks ago, actually. I mean, probably Only True. Yeah. I think that's now the next... I don't know, my brain's just sometimes dumb. Sometimes it goes, no. You're gonna lose too much, but I'm not. I'm losing the correct amount, and I would be gaining then, obviously, the correct amount if I started to put the correct amount of damn contracts in. That's brave. Animation. JP, I think I'm gonna start buying in 6 minutes. That was close. That was very close. Do you know what's annoying? Another... No, but that would be better for New York session with better price action. All the way up here. TP at 821. But that feels like pushing it. That definitely feels like pushing it. So this wouldn't have entered before going up to hit TP. So it would look like that. Oh, damn. So there would have been entry for this. Can I just move this to there? Ooh, at least I didn't move this to the low. That's interesting. So here would have been entry. I did say if this entry level was better, I would have had my 3 compliments. Damn, man. No, it's fine. I'm trying so hard to not be overly greedy right now. And maybe they start selling and then it's a problem. Gonna leave it. No, yeah, I'll just leave it there. It's fine. They had to localize first, but they're gonna run into live. Saying fat downtrends only get started. Hey Wade, what's up? Ben a foxhole? Not really what? Wait, Ben a foxhole? You're saying we're not doing good here? Why are we not doing good here? You don't think we're doing good here? I mean, everyone is having fun though. I made 50% of new combine this morning on silver in like 12 seconds. What? Soli, what the heck, man? Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Wait, you know, holiday seasons are holiday seasons. Lots of family and drama and fam-damnly doing weird and wonderful things. Yeah. Wait, Bear, why are you not doing good? What's up? What's happening? Why are you not doing good? From a singular trade, I know. What the heck, man? Look on top separated, people making 100k on silver trades. What? Hey, Lima, what's up? Oh, no. Either way, it's green, right? Either way, it's green. Either way, it's green. It's fine. Wait, yep, that sounds like Christmas family drama always. Well, luckily, I don't want to say drama, but... You know, just dealing with families sometimes. Oh, no. I've left it below here. Let's see if it respects it or not. Sugar honey iced tea. Maybe I was too greedy. No, but Asia High feels like a good point of interest. Let's see what happens. Let's hit a level on ES. It might start to push back up now. Oh, no. Maybe not. Just press buy on silver, you'll make money. Do I collect rocks? Do I collect rocks? I collect shells. Does that count? I have a bunch of shells from the ocean that I collect. Oh, Lima, you're so sweet. Thank you. Greetings, human. Milky Way Buddha, what's up? How's it going? Hi, what software is that? Well, currently it's Project X. That's what it currently is. Yeah, so this is Project X. I have already taken partials, by the way, just BT dubs. So I'm in the green regardless. This is above my stop. So either way it's a win, right? Either way it's in the green. Maybe trade one micro and you'll be shocked at the price movement. Sorry, I haven't. Should I go check out, when this is done, I'll go check out silver. I'm kind of genuinely curious right now. You can trade on that, or is it just to observe? Super. Yeah, no, this is trading. This is live. Yeah, this is, well, real money. It's real money. Yeah, this is legit. That sounded lame, but yeah, this is actually happening. Yeah, this looks better for a short now, doesn't it? But again, Asia high was my point. When did Chase say 6 minutes? Lima, money? What about money? Money's a pain in the butt, I hear that. This is neat in the description, meaning it talks about how people use things to remember things using word association, like using Maya Angela repeated 10 times to remember your name is Maya. Oh! I got it, so like Maya... No, I don't get it. Like, I do and don't get it. Joe, that looks like a fake out. It's gonna still go up. Let's see, Joe. Well, it might take me out first before it continues back up. Again, like I said, either way, I'm in the green. So, meh. Oh, no. As I said that. Yeah, okay. So, out. Didn't take out. Oh, damn. Is Chase gonna die now? Oh, dear. Have I killed Chase? This is like... Again, this is a win. But not a full win. But it is a win. But not a... I'm gonna do... No! I do not like that. There we go. Ooh, hello. Chase, are you good? You still alive? I'm gonna do that and a break even, which is this little sticker right there. Okay. I'm gonna do that because I obviously took partials here, but it didn't quite hit where I wanted my TP to be. So that would have straight away been a loss. So I'm glad I didn't do that, but yeah. There. Okay. No. Go there. And there. Okay, that was a very interesting run chase. Tony, can I ask what broker you... Of course you can. I'm using Top 1 Futures. Super, how much do you have to pay for one trade? I think the commission on this was like 79 cents or something, I think. Something like that. Guys, I made $21. Drinks are on me. Anyways. Guys, stop chase, don't worry. Just repeat like my how much do you... Sorry, I've missed things. Papacito, what's up? Hey, Blueprint. I started at... Well, if you're in South Africa, I started at 10 a.m. If we're using EST time, I started at 3 a.m. You little fluffer. Watch it go back up now. Oh, maybe not. So close. What did it bounce off of? Oh. Okay, there's some resistance at this level. That's okay. I really thought Don't worry, Chase. Me and you had the same idea. I really thought it would take Asia High before it did this. And that's okay, right? We're still in the green. That's why I've put a win and a break-even mark. I call it that. Should we re-enter for long? Papacito? Are you copy trading me? Wait, really? Papacito, are you copy trading me? I was looking at this and I was thinking, oh, damn, while this was happening, I thought this here is a real nice entry. Check out this one. That would have been to the freaking tick. How beautiful was that? Oh well, it's okay. And yeah, probably full on TP would have been these lows. But that's okay. Oh, no. I lie. It would have been there. Woo! It may have missed me. No, no. It would have got me. Just maybe the spread would have screwed me, but it would have tagged in. Maybe. Hopefully. Again, spread? Not sure. As this was forming, I was looking at it going, this is such a nice short setup, but that's okay. Things happen. Joe, so what's the reason for trading shorter time frames? Oh, just my brain. As you can see, I may or may not have some ADHD. So the shorter time frames, it's a little bit quicker. Go, 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 go. Keep the focus, keep moving. Smokes. Buy low, sell high, right? I think that's easy. Yeah! Keep our B games? Sure. I don't have that. Sorry. Tony, mana's money is better than no money. True. Cheers, brightest future. Enjoy. Can see you in 26. That's okay, G. Don't worry. You look for short. Be mindful. It could be a pullback chart on higher time frame. Looks turn bullish. At least 2 hourly knick-knack. Wow, looks good. Interesting. Lewis, what's up? Can you zoom out a little so we can see the bigger picture? Sure thing. Sorry. I've zoomed in properly. Here we go. But here, like, this is the bigger picture if you really want to see, like, the bigger picture. There we go. Let me also do this. Then it's not so chaotic for everyone. Oh damn, no, this is quite a solid little push down now. What the heck, man? I really thought just Asia High. Dan. Oh well, green is green, right? Green is green. This one, I'm assuming? Is that what you mean by the deep low? Or are you talking about this? What do you mean, LP? What do you mean market was wrong? First deep low still has a downtrend on it. Oh, market was wrong for not taking Asia High. Yeah, a little bit, LP. Oh well, it's okay. It was so close and I had the correct idea. It's fine. I had the correct idea. And it was a really nice trade idea. I'll leave it at that. Yeah, things happen. It was so close as well, but that's fine. And like I said, it would have then nearly been a 3R trade as well, which is pretty cool. Hey Coach Fred, what's up? How's it going? That before uptrend. Is that this one? This line here? Is that what you're asking? But yeah, that's VWAP. Tony. Okay, we got a few more minutes. Who thinks what's gonna happen? Yeah, who thinks this is now going to properly push? No, not push. Who thinks this is now going to continue down? Who thinks this is gonna go up? I'm gonna start a poll. Let's see. Right, I'm genuinely curious now. Who thinks what is gonna start happening? Yeah, there we go. Ooh, steered. Let's see. Like I said, I wanna see what you guys think. Type that wrong. Ooh, okay. So the no's are winning right now. Mando, hi. Oh, no, okay. No, I lied. The yeses. Wow, this is interesting. Coach, we should break the equal highs. I mean, would have been nice if it took my TP first before it did that. Just saying. But yes. Sell to 6925. 6925. What? You think all the way down here? I mean, there's relative equal lows down here. I'm not talking about this. You zoom out, you'll see there's some more. There we go. Some relative equal lows going on at this point as well. I think it could go either direction now, and according to you guys, I think you guys agree. Ah, okay, it looks like the yeses have just one. Actually, it's a 50-50 on the vertical stream with regards to, is the downtrend about to start? Literally 50-50. Apple butter, I voted for down, who knows? I'm not sure if you're into playing with words, but logic is a neat word. Logic, reasoning, you know. One district principle. Long John Love, what's up? What's up? I feel like I missed something. You good? Long John looks choppy. Yeah. Maybe that was the move. I'm glad I got the entry there though. If I wasn't quote unquote greedy, if I'd put more contracts in and just left one run, it would have been fine, but it's fine. I just put two little ones because it was a little bit of a degen play. Bad Maya. Joe. No, they aren't on YouTube. So, Daddy Stocks, you think it's gonna go down to the bottom of the V hold? That sounds so weird to say, but down here is what you're thinking? Yes? Damn, watch this start pumping now. Okay, I got 4 more minutes, then I gotta go to the ponies, but like I said, that one would have been a goodie and it would have taken out, oh my gosh. Yeah, no, that probably would have been my point of interest for that specific trade. If I took the short, but obviously I was still in a long when that occurred, and that I don't think people like that when you start to go against your own bias, but anyways. Tony, wait for VWAP to hit and see how it's gonna react. Rupesh, you think an uptrend now. Well, that feels mad disrespectful. I'm just... What the heck, man? Why'd you have to take me out first? How would? Let's see if this goes to Asia High now. Or not. 3 minutes. Let's see. Come on, market. Give us a clear indication. Gotta keep things interesting. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to please like the stream. I know it's December, everyone's kind of tired. This will be my last London stream until next year. Okay. Sorry, that was so lame. I'm so sorry. I have to, you guys can all prepare to hear super lame jokes like, oh, I'm so excited to see you guys next year, or I haven't seen you guys since last year when I come back next week, Monday. Be prepared, because they are gonna come and they're gonna be so lame. And yes, Solly, I know it's a very old lady thing to do, but I'm an old lady, okay? Hey, you got the same one, but exited early. Hey, nice. Well, apple butter, let's see. This could continue down. This... Again, this is why this price action is a little bit difficult. And maybe LP, that's probably why I didn't take out the Asia high, because it is a little bit more choppy and this price action isn't so predictable. Isn't as predictable as it should be because the price action's just yucky. Hey, Michael, what's up? Hey, Saeed. How you doing? Two minutes to go. Joe, did you ask what am I sipping on? I'm sipping on good old bean juice. That sounds weird. I mean, it's kind of like hot bean juice. It's coffee. I'm sipping on them coffee beans. That also sounds weird. It's just coffee. I'm gonna stop being weird. I'm so sorry. Maybe the coffee's hitting. It's a stronger coffee, but it's so good. Okay, wait. Quickly, let's quickly bounce back. This is now just consolidating a little bit. Can you sound burp? Shadowman, what? What does that mean? Great evolution will lead to some even greater evolution. I would short it from 25749. Why that point? Out of curiosity, Tony, what's telling you that level is the level to short it from? What a weird thing to say. Anyway, sorry. Oh, goodness. That's where break of structure. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Ah, wait, I gotta go, actually. Shadowman, no. How did you know? What? What? Joe, how did you know that? Joe? Tony, you say wait for it. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it because I'm genuinely curious now. Joe, I have questions. How did you know I'm 27? Carl's, why though? Why though what? Joe knows nothing. Johnny, what do you mean Joe knows nothing? He knows a lot. It is Joe, 100%. I'm 27. How did you know? Carl's, why were you asking why though? What you asking? What's the why though for? Oh, nope. It didn't quite reach that level, Tony. I mean, it could still bounce back up. Let's not jump to yes and no's just yet, right? Hey, Daddy, stop with it. Maybe like leading you to a reform. Wait, what? What? Daddy Stocks, I just read the previous thing you just said. What? Tony, I'm waiting for it. It looks like it's shooting down now. Oh, talked about leaving. Oh, cold. So I have to go and see my horses. Yeah. I gotta go see my horses. And I kind of have this gap between now and New York Open. So I'll be back for the New York Open, guys, by the way. This is a fat short, you will see. No, this is going solidly down now. It's just a lucky guess. Nice job. Because like you sounded so confident with it. It was such a confident guess. I was like, wow. Didn't even sound like a guess. You sounded like you knew. But anyways. Okay. Okay, but on that note, I will call it there for today. I'll call it there for today. Ashley, maybe Ashley will join for New York session. Let's see. Let's see. But I love you guys. Maddie, thank you for joining. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the ponies. Tony, when I come back, I'm gonna go find this level and I'm going to see if it reached it before. I mean, it looks like it's dropping now, but anything's possible, right? When it comes to this market, anything is possible. So it's fine. Carl, hell yeah, I'll see you then. New York is going to be fun. It's going to be the last stream of the year. Let's bet. Tony, you make it sound like I got money. What's the bet? But anyways, it will be the last stream of the year. So I'm excited. Sad. Well, I say sad, like I'm not going to be back in like 4 days, but still. Sad, but excited. It's going to be great. So let's all have fun together. Make it like a New Year celebrate. I don't know. I'm just talking rubbish. Okay, I'm going to call it there. You guys are amazing. See you for the New York Open, hopefully. Most of you. I know time zones and things are tricky, but hopefully I can see you guys for the New York session. It's going to be amazing. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Hey, Teddy, welcome back. Oh, I buy dinner if I'm wrong. Ah, bet, Tony. Tony, bet. I'm gonna, yeah. I need to mark level. I'll mark a level. I'm gonna mark a level as soon as I pop off this. Okay, I love you guys madly. Tony might owe me some dinner later. Okay, so sorry. I'll stop talking. You guys are awesome. I'll be back for the New York stream. Okay. You guys, again, thank you for the support. Please don't forget to like the stream if you want to show some more love and support. I mean, there's a few ways. There's a few ways. I mean, you can, don't know, I do have a little Patreon as well. There's some new cool things that are going to be coming, but that'll probably be like a next year thing. But, ooh, okay, sorry. I just saw what only true trade. Okay, I'll leave. I love you guys madly. See you later. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Bye.